At Rollogo, we are inspired by the unification of intelligence and simplicity. We are proud to pioneer new solutions and integrate them with a dynamic, modern touch that every traveler deserves. Introducing the Escape S, the world's first premium smart luggage with power-generating wheels. Our patented electric-generating spinner wheels and suspension system provide a light, smooth, rolling experience while providing continuous power. No more outlet campouts. No more dead batteries. 10 minutes of roll time is equivalent to 1 hour and 10 minutes of extra talk time. Enjoy travel fully charged and tether-free. At the heart of Escape S is our Smart Bond Power Bank, a Bluetooth ultra-safe TSA-approved flight-friendly lithium polymer battery. The Smart Bond Power Bank pairs easily with your phone via the mobile app. Use the app to review the battery and signal dashboard. Escape was engineered with the most advanced technology inside and out. Our hydrophobic fabric uses the world's thinnest modified cross-section nanofibers, making the exterior liquid and stain-resistant, as well as extremely durable. From packing to getting through security to long layovers, every feature was meticulously designed to make your travel experience easier. Escape S provides instant access to onboard essentials, unique top compartment for easy access as well as a flat-top working surface. A host of accessories upgrade your travel experience. Removable laptop compartment, travel toiletry bag, smart garment bag, foldable suitcase cover for added protection. With a multi-level telescoping and secondary handles, Escape is easy to carry and stow away. We love traveling. It's in our DNA. We want everyone to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. We're committed to delivering the highest quality with the most innovative features. That's why each piece of Rollogo is handcrafted by skilled artisans that bring together conventional and innovative workmanship. Enjoy seamless, smart, luxurious, tether-free travel. Back our campaign today and let us prepare your next adventure. Escape S by Rollogo. Your new journey starts here.